Today, we will be learning how to make delicious Turkish rice. Let's add a tablespoon of olive oil and a dessertspoon of butter to a pan. Butter will elevate the taste of rice. After it melts, let's add a cup of rinsed and dried rice to it. Let's sauté the rice for 2 to 3 minutes until its color turns a little. Now let's add 1½ cups of hot water to the rice. Let's sprinkle some salt and stir it a little before putting its lid on. Now let's leave it to simmer for 10 to 12 minutes on low heat until it absorbs the water. For rice grains to be separate, let's place a paper towel below the lid and leave the rice to steep. Now let's leave it to rest for 10 to 15 minutes. After that, it will be ready to serve. Please do not forget to like our videos and share your comments with us. Enjoy!